it's Christina Hitchcock with Old National Investments. Thank you for taking the time out of your day to watch my video. I appreciate it. What can $1 million buy you? 1 million sounds like a lot, doesn't it? Well, it is. 1 million $1 bills stacked one on top of each other would reach 358 feet, or the height of a 35-story building. It's a lot of money. These days, however, 1 million doesn't buy what it used to. In 1900, the luxury steamliner Henry Hudson was built for $1 million, as was the largest private residence in Chicago, the Palmer Mansion. So what can $1 million buy you now? Well, you couldn't buy a steamliner, but you could buy a luxury sailboat. It might not buy you a mansion in Chicago, but you could get a condo on Lake Michigan, or 1 million in a diversified portfolio could help finance part of your retirement, offering both growth and income. Let's see how this works. Say a couple retired at 65 with a $1 million investment portfolio. During their retirement years, from age 65 to 90, the money could generate a $45,000 annual income, increasing 3% a year, assuming a hypothetical 5% annual rate of return. At age 90, the portfolio would have an ending balance of nearly $500,000. What's more, the portfolio would have generated $1.6 million in total income. Thanks for listening. I hope you have found this information useful. As always, feel free to contact me and I would love to talk to you about your financial goals.